Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable automatic AirPlay connection on the iPhone 17 Pro. So first, what we're gonna do is, let me unlock the device. We're gonna go over to the settings. Now here in the settings, we wanna scroll down until we see General. Now here in the General, we want to go over to AirPlay and Continuity, and after that, right here, right up top, we will have the automatically AirPlay, and you guys can select it to automatic. So now it will automatically connect to the AirPlay on your new iPhone 17 Pro. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.